Hello students, welcome back to our English class. In today's class, we are going to learn Unit 3 Supplementary Buju's Brave Adventure. I hope so. By learning this, you will be enjoying the supplementary. Yes. Shall we? Okay, children. So, at the end of the class, you will be able to use appropriate words, phrases, and sentences, pronounces the English words properly, recognize the sequence of events and ideas expressed in the passage, write distinctly and legibly. So, first, before moving on to a supplementary, first we will see the characters who are in this story. So, we have 7 characters. Who are those? Buju's father, Buju's mother, Buju, and his cousins Appu, Surya, Bala, and Janani. So, we are going to learn about it in detail. On a winter morning, Buju's family set out on a trip to the nearby hill. So just imagine yourself that you are on a trip to a hill. Buju's cousins Appu, Bala, Surya, and Janani accompanied him. So only if you imagine yourself in that situation, you will enjoy the story. Will you all do that, children? Yes, the kids were so excited to explore the place. So, first, what happened? On a winter morning, Buju's family set out on a trip to the nearby hill. So, they went to a nearby hill with whom? Buju's cousins, Apu, Bala, Surya, and Chenani accompanied him. The kids were so excited to explore the place. So, even if our parents are telling that if we are going to this place or whichever place you like, we all will be excited to explore that place, isn't it, children? Yeah, so like that only Buju and his cousins were excited to explore the place. So once they arrived the place, Buju's parents advised the kids. So what did they advise? See, Buju's mother speaking that, look kids, be around us, never go anywhere alone. So what is she saying? Yes, she's telling that be around us and never go anywhere alone. So none of them should go alone anywhere. Yes. Then further the kids replied, yes, ma. Next, what happened? See, first have your breakfast, then we will go there. So Buju's mother is telling that first you want everyone to have your breakfast, then we will go to the place. So for that, Janani saw the waterfall and she wanted to go there. So for that, Buju's mother, yes, told her that, replied her that first have your breakfast, then we will go there. So they arrived to the hill. Buju's mother advised not to go anywhere alone, and after that Janani saw a waterfall and Buju mother replied for her that first have your breakfast, then we will go to that place. Next, what happened? See, Buju's mother started unpacking the food. So Buju's mother started to unpacking the food. Meanwhile, the kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. So they were in a excitement and they were not able to wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. So they ran away without informing the parents. Do you think is this a good habit to yes, informing without your parents' knowledge? No? Yes, it is not a good habit to go anywhere without informing your parents. So see, in the first image, are you all able to see these children? See? So they are running without informing their parents. Yes, then see Appu. Oh, I feel too hungry. I have only one guava. I shall eat it myself. So, by the time Appu was feeling hungry and he is having only one guava and he is thinking that I shall eat it myself. So, he is telling that without sharing it with others, I'm going to eat it by myself. By the time when Appu was eating guava, Surya asked him, Hey Appu, what are you eating? See, in this image, are you able to see this, children? Yes. Hey Appu, what are you eating? For this? Surya replied, Nothing, Surya, and Appu swallowed and got hiccups. So Surya and Appu returned to parents. So here what happened? While Surya was eat, while Appu was eating guava, Surya asked him, What are you eating? For that, Appu replied, Nothing, Surya, and he swallowed the guava and got hiccups. So Surya and Appu returned to parents. Yes. Next, see, Surya, Buju's father asking, Where did he go? What about others? So he is asking about others. Where are the other people? So for that they are replying, Don't worry, Pa. They are playing nearby. So they are playing nearby. Yes. Without noticing the other, three kept running towards the waterfall. Yes, who were the three? Buju, Cheneni. Yes. Then Bala also joined with them. Then Bala and Cheneni got diverted on seeing a naughty monkey. So after Surya's hiccups, what happened? Yes, the three other kids, who were those? Janani, Bala, and Buju, got diverted, running towards the waterfall. Yes, by moving to the waterfall, Bala and Janani got diverted on seeing a naughty monkey. See, here you can see this, children, isn't it? Bala and Janani are here, and Buju alone is running to the waterfall. See? Yes, are you all able to see this, children? Yes. So, look at that naughty monkey. Let us act like it and have fun. So, Janani is telling to Bala that look at this monkey. Let us act like it and have fun. So, they are acting like monkey and having fun. I feel very hungry. Let's go. So, Bala is telling to Janani that he's feeling hungry and he wanted to go to their parents. As Bala and Janani felt hungry, they returned to parents. But Buju sped towards the waterfall. So Bala and Janani are going to the parents. But where did Buju went? He went to the waterfalls. Yes. He was shocked to see that no one was there. So what happened next? Yes, so Janani and Bala also went to their parents. Now Buju is alone in the waterfalls. As Bala and Janani felt hungry, they returned to parents, but Buju sped towards the waterfall. He was shocked to see that no one was there. So once he turned, he saw that no one was there. He was alone in the waterfall. Oh no, I'm alone. Surya, Appu, Janani, Bala, where are you guys? So he is calling everyone's name and he's asking, where are you guys? See? Oh no, I'm alone. So he he got scared. Oh no, I'm alone. He got scared. Then he's calling everyone's name. Surya, Appu, Janani, Bala, and he's asking, where are you guys? By the time he heard a roar of a lion. So, did you all hear that roar of a lion, children? Yes? Yes, is that a roar of a lion? Mommy. So after hearing this roar of a lion, Buju got scared. So next, what would have happened? Yes, now Buju is speaking to himself that I shouldn't be afraid. Let me find a way. I think these footprints will help me. So he is thinking calmly. Only then he will get an idea. See, I shouldn't be afraid. Let me find a way. I think these footprints will help me. So he is trying to follow the footprints so that it will be easy for him to go to his parents. On his way, he finds big footprints. So by the way, he finds a big footprints. So he's telling that I think this should be Appu's footprint. So here what is he telling? He thinks that this should be Appu's footprints. Yes. Next, Buju, where are you? I was so worried. So after seeing Buju, Buju's mother told him that Buju, where were you? I was so worried. So for that, Buju replied, Yes, ma, I found you all at last. So now Buju realized his mistake that he should not go alone without informing parents. So what did he realize? Realized his mistake that he should not go alone without informing his parents. So, by the conclusion, at last, Buchu realized his mistake that he should not go alone without informing parents. So, I want everyone to, like Buchu, you should not go anywhere without informing your parents. Will you all do that, children? Yes? Okay. Did you all enjoy this adventurous lesson? Yes? How was the story? Very nice, isn't it? Yes, you were able to imagine the waterfalls, the naughty monkey, and the sound of a lion. Yes. At last, what did you learn? You learned that you should not go anywhere without informing your parents. Yes. So now we will learn the meanings. Explore. Explore means travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Swallowed. Swallowed means consuming food. So swallowed means consuming food. Next is choose the correct answer. Bala and Janani acted like the dash. I repeat, Bala and Janani acted like the dash. The options are lion, monkey, tiger. So which one is the correct answer? Monkey. Yes, so monkey is the correct answer. Next, Appu felt hungry and ate a guava. So Appu felt hungry and ate a dash. What did he eat? He ate a guava. All the children wished to go to the dash place. Park, beach, waterfall. So where did they wish to go? Yes, to the waterfall. Last, Dash helped Buju to reach his family. Footprints, sound, shadow. So the correct answer is footprints. Yes. So now we will see the answer the following. Did Appu share Goa? No, Appu did not share Goa. And he swallowed the Goa and he got hiccups. Isn't it, children? Yes. Did all visit the waterfall? No, all did not visit the waterfall. Then whom alone visited the waterfall? Buju alone visited the waterfall. Did Buju realize his mistake? Yes, Buju realized his mistake. So I want everyone to kindly fill the Google form and submit it, children. Now you should be able to use appropriate words, phrases, and sentences. Pronounce the English words properly. Recognize the sequence of events and ideas expressed in the passage. Write distinctly and legibly. So your homework is write about your own adventure and submit it in the Google Classroom. I repeat, write about your own adventure and write it and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you, students, for listening. Have a good day.